Nowadays, ransomware is a hot topic. It is #1 dangerous cyber threat as we speak. But did you know that every 10 seconds there's a brand new victim getting infected by all ransomware types? That's what we're going to learn in this video. If we understand everything about ransomware, we'll be able to protect against it successfully. So stay tuned in this video, because at the end of it we'll have a surprise. That's right, we're preparing a giveaway. Yes! Hey there, I'm George and welcome to the INFOSEC Defenders, a YouTube channel made for everyone who wants to get introduced with the latest cybersecurity threats and trends. Okay, so if you haven't done already, make sure to subscribe to us in order to be the first to follow our weekly episodes. I'm pretty sure you heard from the intro that we're going to be doing a giveaway. We'll go into further details in the end, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So at first, let's find out on what is ransomware exactly. Ransomware is nothing but the more sophisticated type of malware. Now a little bit of history. So many years ago, ransomware started to make its appearance. About 2 or 3 years or so, that's when it started to become a lot more popular because of Bitcoin, which made cyber criminals to hide very easily, being very anonymous. Isn't that right? Now, let's discuss about the different types of ransomware. Really? Come on now. We're not going to talk, there's so many out there. And I have to say that it's the exact same amount as these boats over here that we see.
30.
Yeah, and we're talking about a lot. So, I'm on the way back to the office right now to show you a brief demonstration of running ransomware on VMware. We'll do that by showing the impact of a very well-known ransomware known as wannacryptor or WANNACRY. We will also tell you a few guidelines on how to protect against ransomware, and I'll just see you there. Bye for now. For this impact demo, we're using a virtual machine in VMware running Windows XP Home Edition to demonstrate the wannacryptor or WANNACRY ransomware. So we'll go ahead and run it and show you what will happen. Okay, so these are the first two payloads. But the first one is changing the desktop background automatically, which says, hey, your important files are encrypted. You will not be able to access them. And there will be another window saying a lot more details about it. Oh, and there it is right there. It'll say that your files are lost on that date. It'll say your files are encrypted, and you have to pay $600 worth of Bitcoin. Now, if we go to my music or my pictures, it's still the same. There will also be a notepad saying, please read me, and then your files are encrypted, blah blah blah. Now, if you try to run one of these, then it will say that Windows will not be able to open up this file. So, you are now left with a choice. You either have to pay the ransomware, or your import files are lost. So, we are back here in the office just to tell you 3 basic things that you have to be aware of, always. #1, always back up your data. Don't keep only one single copy in your laptop or hard drive. Keep a backup in your external storage device. Then we'll be able to restore if your files are encrypted. Highly recommended. #2, increase your knowledge for cybersecurity. And I think we know the best place on where to learn. Have a guess. Us. And #3, which is we will say in more than one video and is very important, always keep an up-to-date operating system. Whenever it's Windows, Mac or Linux, it's the same. And an up-to-date anti-malware solution like Sophos, which is supporting us and managed to keep our channel strong. Well done, Sophos. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, but wait, before we leave, I have to tell you something about the giveaway that we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a giveaway, the first ever giveaway as the INFOSEC Defenders. We will have a draw for one hoodie like the one I'm wearing right now, and we'll give it to one of our subscribers. When are we going to be doing it? when we reach 100 subscribers, in order to participate, you just have to send in the comments down below one relevant comment, not something like this. If you send one of those comments, then you are out of the competition. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, you know, the usual process. Anyway, until the next time, stay secure and become an INFOSEC Defender. And I hope that you don't click on random software. Get it? Random software, ransomware, randomware.